If you want to up your video editing game and make your text 3D in CapCut Desktop, you're in the right place. I'm going to take you through the steps to show you how to make this text 3D. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a video in your track, which is down below. And as you can see, I've got my video and you can see the preview. Now, the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is go up to the top left-hand side and we're going to look for text. And here we're going to add default text. Now, the reason we're adding a default text for now is because we're going to change it later on to make it 3D. Once you click on the plus button, you can just adjust it to the length of your video, and we're going to go over to the right hand side, and here you can go ahead and change everything you want to about your video, including what it says. You can also change the size. You can see that there's a font style. There's some additional settings. If you just continue scrolling, you can see there's a whole bunch of editing tools. So once we're done, we're going to go just next to text on the top right hand side and we're going to click on tracking, and from here you can see I am going to select motion tracking. All right, so we have direction. So the direction is defined by up, down, and left, right. So we want to make sure that it's both selected, and we want to make sure that the scale is also selected. So that's on, and it says follow tracking object. Okay, we want that on, and the distance we also want follow tracking object. So from here we're going to go to the bottom and tap on start, and this process will just take a few seconds depending on how long your video is. As you can see, now we are done, and what we're going to do is just adjust where the actual text is tracking. So we're going to just adjust the size of this block. We can also adjust the position, and I'm going to move it just over here, and the text now will follow the camel which is in the video. The next step is going over to the text again on the top right hand side and clicking on templates, and here you can choose a 3D text that will actually suit the needs and the look and feel of your video. You can go ahead and explore and see what works and what doesn't work, but with this 3D text plus the motion tracking, it really gives you a great effect. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time, folks. Peace out.